Question number 1. What disease is caused by a virus and commonly affects dogs? Correct answer is option D. Rabies. Question number 2. Which disease is transmitted by ticks and affects both dogs and humans? Correct answer is option B. Lyme disease. Question number 3. What condition is caused by a deficiency of vitamin E in livestock? Correct answer is option A. White muscle disease. Question number 4. Which disease is known for causing mad cow disease? Correct answer is option A. Bovine spongiform encephalopathy. Question number 5. What is the primary cause of feline leukemia virus? FELV. Correct answer is option B. Virus. Question number 6. Which diseases primarily affects horses and is caused by a protozoan? Correct answer is option B. Question number 7. What is the primary vector for heartworm disease in dogs? Correct answer is option C. Mosquitoes. Question number 8. Which of the following diseases is highly contagious among swine? Correct answer is option B. Porcine reproductive and respiratory syndrome. Question number 9. What is the causative agent of avian influenza? Correct answer is option B. Virus. Question number 10. Which condition is characterized by an excessive amount of fluid in a body cavity of cattle? Correct answer is option A. Blood. Question number 11. What disease is characterized by swelling of the lymph nodes in cats and can be transmitted through bites? Correct answer is option C. Cat scratch fever. Question number 12. Which disease is often referred to as canine couge? Correct answer is option D. Canine couge. Question number 13. What is the primary symptom of foot and mouth disease in cloven hoofed animal? Correct answer is option C. Blisters on the mouth and feet. Question number 14. Which disease in cattle is caused by a deficiency of calcium during lactation? Correct answer is option A. Milk fever. Question number 15. What is the primary method of transmission for canine parvovirus? Correct answer is option B. Direct contact. Question number 16. Which of the following is not a zoonotic disease? Correct answer is option B. Fluid leukemia. Question number 17. What disease is caused by a parasite and leads to severe anemia in dogs? Correct answer is option B. Hookworm. Question number 18. Which disease can be transmitted from rodents to pets and is caused by a bacterium? Correct answer is option A. Leptospirosis. Question number 19. What is the main vector for transmitting West Nile virus to horse? Correct answer is option B. Mosquitoes. Question number 20. Which of the following diseases is a major concern for sheep and goats caused by a virus? Correct answer is option A. Blue tongue. Question number 21. What parasites is commonly found in cats and can cause toxoplasmosis? Correct answer is option B, Toxoplasma gondii. Question number 22. Which disease in chickens is caused by a virus and affects respiratory systems? Correct answer is option C, Marek's disease. Question number 23. What disease is caused by sudden onset of vomiting and diarrhea in dogs? Correct answer is option A, parvovirus. Question number 24. What is the leading cause of death in dogs that is preventable by vaccination? Correct answer is option C, rabies. Question number 25. What bacterial infection is commonly known to cause mastitis in dairy cows? Correct answer is option B. Question number 26. Which disease can cause neurological symptom in horses and is transmitted by mosquitoes? Correct answer is option A, West Nile virus. Question number 27. Which condition in cats is characterized by excessive grooming and skin lesions? Correct answer is option A, feline hyperesthesia syndrome. Question number 28. What disease is known as canine influenza? Correct answer is option B, H3N8 influenza. Question number 29. What disease is characterized by the shake and is common in puppies? Correct answer is option C, hypoglycemia. Question number 30. What is the main cause of respiratory disease in rabbits? Correct answer is option A, Pasteurella multocida. Question number 31. Which disease is often spread through contaminated water in dogs? Correct answer is option A, Giardia. Question number 32. What disease is characterized by weight loss, diarrhea and is caused by a bacteria in cattle? Correct answer is option A, Jones disease. Question number 33. Which disease is associated with a high mortality rate in young puppies? Correct answer is option A, parvovirus. Question number 34. What disease is caused by a virus and can lead to severe respiratory issues in pigs? Correct answer is option B, swine influenza. Question number 35. Which parasite causes heart disease in dogs and is transmitted by mosquitoes bites? Correct answer is option B, Dirophilaria immitis. Question number 36. What is the primary symptom of feline immunodeficiency virus, FIV? Correct answer is option B, immune suppression. Question number 37. Which disease affects the hooves of cattle and can lead to lameness? Correct answer is option A, foot rot. Question number 38. What condition is also known as bloat in cattle? Correct answer is option B, frothy bloat. Question number 39. What viral infection in horses can cause neurological symptom and is often fatal? Correct answer is option A, EHV-1. Question number 40. Which condition in dogs is commonly caused by the ingestion of certain toxic plants? Correct answer is option B, acute renal failure. Question number 41. What is the main cause of canal couch in dogs? Correct answer is option B. Question number 42. Which of the following diseases can cause severe anemia in cats? Correct answer is option C, homobartonellosis. Question number 43. What disease is known for causing severe gastrointestinal distress in young ruminants? Correct answer is option B, enterotoxemia. Question number 44. Which disease is caused by a prion and affects sheep? Correct answer is option A, scrapie. Question number 45. What disease is characterized by a sudden increase in the number of red blood cells in dogs? Correct answer is option A, polycythemia. Question number 46. Which disease is known as swine fever and affects pigs? Correct answer is option B, African swine fever. Question number 47. What is the common name for canine parvovirus infection? Correct answer is option A, parvo. Question number 48. Which bacterial disease is known to cause abortion in cattle? Correct answer is option B, brucellosis. Question number 49. What is the primary cause of allergic dermatitis in dogs? Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 50. Which viral infection is considered highly contagious among cats and can lead to death? Correct answer is option B, Fallon herpes virus.